aqui na favela. Pra sentar no meu.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Own the Chaos. My name is Brad Smith, and we talk everything OTCs here. Normally I do live streams or whatever, but I have so much going on with the WeTrade HQ platform. And if you're not aware or know what WeTrade HQ is going to be a social networking platform for all kinds of traders. So if you're just joining me and you don't know anything about OTCs, that's okay, because whatever you're trading right now, we're going to have a new home for you. It's going to be WeTrade HQ. It's going to be a social exchange where like-minded individuals, whether you trade Forex, Bitcoin, options, anything that you trade on the stock market or in the crypto world, is going to be a safe haven, or if you will, or a place to just network and share ideas with like-minded individuals. And that's all we're looking to do, is to be able to help people connect with other people that have similar interests and trade together. And so I've been working really hard on that. Me and my partner Jake have been just working tirelessly, and we have news that's going to be coming out for you before this week is out. So I can't wait for that. And so on to today's topic. Today's topic is going to involve you if you have a very small account, or if you even have a large account and you're not sure how to get into this crazy world of over-the-counter stocks. I can't stress enough to you how awesome our community is, and that's not me, puffing out my chest or being very arrogant about it or anything like that, but to be able to help people who have very little to start off with and see them grow their accounts has been truly amazing. The WeTrade HQ platform on Discord hasn't been up for very long. We've been up for about 2.5–3 weeks now. And if you're interested in joining us on Discord, the link isn't going to be in the description down below. But one of our members hasn't been with us for too long. They invested $300. That was it, $300, and turned that $300 into $1,000 in one trade in just 2 hours. And so I want you to understand that these results happen pretty often. This isn't some one-off unicorn type trade. This happened because he set a plan. He made his own decision and didn't base it on anybody else's opinion. And he's also well diversified within his account. So this, I'm gonna laugh because it just cracks me up. But he's within our group. He's as soon as he came on to WeTrade HQ, he has just been a presence within the group, and learning all he can. And his name is Mash Tater. So for those of you who know who I'm talking about, he's a great guy and has helped out a lot. And as he is also learning, which is exactly what we do within our community. And so he's diversified his very small account. And I know he won't take offense for me to just say it's very small, but he has a very small account. And so he's diversified that portfolio, and a couple $100 here, a couple $100 there, because that's all he's got. And that's okay, because what he's done was that he's been able to take $300 and turn it to $1,000. And he's even admitted that he's taken losses, but those losses have only been maybe $50 to $100, and they haven't been that many. So he's diversified in, I think he said about 4 or 5 different positions, because I think he only had about $1,500 to work with. And so he's splitting that up how he sees fit, whatever plan he set for himself, and was able to actually see his plan come together. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So PACV has been a hot stock that we've been talking about here, and he actually got in on the bottom. And he was able to get on the bottom because he was able to confirm with other people in our group where that bottom support was, and that's how he made his decision, and then rode that until he saw a pullback and actually made that decision to come out. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you. I'll go and show you right now how he came to that decision. And this is TradingView. So for those of you who aren't familiar, TradingView is a great resource for doing technical analysis or just viewing charts or whatever. So it's tradingview.com. we are going to have this available on the WeTrade HQ platform. But just to kind of show you where he bought in at, so he bought right here at this line, this red line here that I have, and this is how we identified a solid support level. So it reached a support level around the 7s here, around 7s here, and he actually got in at 0070, right around here. And so he got in 0070 yesterday and rode this all the way up to about 214, I think is what he said he sold at. And I actually have the screenshots to prove it, but which I'm sure I'll put on a thumbnail or something. But and so he saw a 200% gain by selling when he did. So this is what's very real within the OTC, guys. So if he made a mental stop loss with $300, and let's just say he stopped and sold out at 006, that's a very tiny loss. And yes, it is a loss, and we hate to see that, but it's a very tiny loss. But the whole purpose of diversifying your portfolio is so you can see gains like this 200%er that he did. And you know, sure, it continued to run, but can he really be mad at the fact that he sold for you know, a $1,000 position that he started with $300 with? No. And that's what it's all about, especially when you're doing a small account. So when you are trading with a small account and you can't afford to take a whole lot of risk, you take your profits when you can, and then you build on that. And eventually what happens is that your risk tolerances will get bigger, and then you will be able to maybe make that hold. So if he had been in a different place in his trading career or in his account, maybe he would have had the risk tolerance to hold out a little bit longer and see where it goes, or maybe at least protect that initial investment and see where it goes. And that is everything that we teach within you know, the Own the Chaos channel within WeTrade HQ, and it's just been amazing, guys. I can't thank you enough for just providing all the support. We are growing so fast. We have over almost 2,000 members within Discord itself. This channel has grown well into 7,000 subscribers, and it's been a truly amazing ride, and I can't wait to continue to you know, provide you with content and give you tools and resources through WeTradeHQ.com. So I know this was a short video, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys the reality of how we're changing lives within Own the Chaos and WeTrade HQ, how we're all working together and seeing each other and celebrating each other's success. It's just been amazing, and I can't wait to continue this ride with you guys. So with that, please make sure that you check out WeTradeHQ.com and register your email for when we go live, because it's going to be very, very soon. I can tell you it's going to be less than a week from now. And I will be coming out with a video to let you know exactly when we will be going live, when we will be blasting it to the masses. And it's going to be a great celebration, and we're all going to probably drink a few beers and have a good time, and then get right to work on providing you with the best service possible. So with that, guys, on this Thursday night, I will see you all before the bell on Friday morning. And as always, P. Smith is out. That's weird. I've never done that live.